Hello everyone! Today, we're tackling a common frustration for Android developers. It's the default splash screen in Android 12 and later. Many developers want more control over their app's startup experience. They want custom branding or faster loading times. So, we will learn how to disable this default splash screen. It's simpler than you might think. Let's dive in. First, understand why the default splash screen exists. Google introduced it to improve the perceived launch time of apps. It shows a basic logo and background. It gives users immediate feedback. However, it can clash with your app's unique style. Now, let's get to the actual steps. The primary way to disable the default splash screen involves modifying your app's theme. We'll go straight into the code. Open your styles.xml file. This is usually located in the res/values directory. Look for your app's main theme. It often inherits from theme.materialcomponents.daynight.noActionBar or similar. Here, you need to add a specific item to your theme. Add the following line: item name equals Android windowSplashScreenAnimatedIcon at null/item. This line effectively tells the system to not show any animated icon during the splash screen. If you have a separate theme for the splash screen already, this is where you put it. If not, it will usually be inside the main theme. Remember to clean and rebuild your project after this change. The Android build system needs to apply these theme changes. Another important attribute to consider is Android windowSplashScreen background. By default, this is usually white. It is possible to set it to a custom color if desired, but setting the animated icon to null disables the entire animation. Beyond this, you might also want to consider your app's cold start time. Optimize your code to load quickly. A faster app means a shorter splash screen duration. The official way is generally preferred over implementing custom splash screens. Google might introduce deprecations in the future. Therefore, make sure to stay updated with official Android documentation. Always test your app thoroughly on different devices and Android versions. This ensures a consistent user experience. This simple trick can help you take more control over your app's launch experience. You can now use this space for any other resources you might need during app startup. It allows for a more personalized feel. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this useful, please like this video. Also, consider subscribing for more Android development tips and tricks. Your support really helps us create more content. See you in the next one.